What happened at Barbagallo Race Track in Western Australia? Let's check. As soon as the race starts, the car was hit from behind by another car. As a result, car immediately catches fire. The driver came out of the car. Rescue team and emergency responders immediately rushed at site. Driver was safe. No harm occurred to him in this accident. Why sports car catches fire so instantly? What's your comment on this?
Steve Owen, VIP Beverage car, he's out of the car, he's okay.